Today we will solve a problem. The given problem is show that the product of three consecutive positive integers is divisible by 3, or show that n cube minus n is divisible by 6 where n is any integer. Let the three consecutive positive integers are n minus 1, n and n minus 1. Find n minus 1, n and n plus 1. Suppose we take n, its preceding number will be n minus 1 and its successor will be n plus 1. Suppose n is an integer, then its predecessor will be n minus 1 and its successor will be n plus 1. Then n minus 1, n and n plus 1 will be three consecutive integers. So let three consecutive positive integers are n minus 1, n and n plus 1. Then their product will be n minus 1 multiply n plus 1. When we divide n by 6, then n is equal to 6 cube plus r, and r will be greater than or equal to 0 but less than 6 by Euclid division lemma. Since r is greater than or equal to 6 but 0 but less than 6, therefore the values of r will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will take different values of r and get different values of n. Case 1, when r is equal to 0. When r is equal to 0, then n is equal to 6 cube plus 0. That means n is equal to 6 cube. The product will be n minus 1 into n plus 1. N minus 1, that means 6 cube minus 1, n that means 6 cube, and n plus 1, that means 6 cube plus 1. The same can be written as 6 into cube into 6 cube minus 1 into 6 cube plus 1, because the product of integers are commutative. Hence, we see 6 is a factor of the product. 6 is a factor of this product, so the product will be divisible by 6. When r is equal to 1, then n is equal to 6 cube plus 1. When r is equal to 1, then n is equal to 6 cube plus 1. The product is equal to n minus 1 into n plus 1. Since n is equal to 6 cube plus 1, therefore n minus 1 will be equal to 6 cube. N is equal to 6 cube plus 1 and n plus 1, that means 6 cube plus 1 plus 1, that means 6 cube plus 2. In this case, 6 is the factor of the product. 6 is the factor of this product, so this product will be divisible by 6. When r is equal to 2, then n is equal to 6 cube plus r, that means 6 cube plus 2. The product is equal to n minus 1 into n plus 1. N minus 1, that means 6 cube plus 2 minus 1, that means 6 cube plus 1. N 6 cube plus 2, n plus 1, that means 6 cube plus 2 plus 1, that means 6 cube plus 3. 6 cube plus 1, 2 will be taken as common factor, that means 2 into 3 cube plus 1. 3 will be taken as common factor, so this can be written as 2 cube plus 1. That means 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 into 3 cube plus 1 into 6 cube plus 1 into 2 cube plus 1. In this case, 6 is the factor of this product, so the product is divisible by 6. Okay. Case 4. When n is equal to 3, then n will be equal to 6q plus 3. The product will be n minus 1 into n plus 1. N minus 1, that means 6q plus 1, 3 minus 1, that will be 6q plus 2, n 6q plus 3, n plus 1, that means 6q plus 3 plus 1, that is 6q plus 4. Here 2 can be taken as common factor, then this will be 2 into 3q plus 1. Here 3 can be taken as common factor, then this will be 3 into 2q plus 1. Here 2 will be taken as common factor, then this will be 2 into 3q plus 2. 2, 3, 2. 2, 3 multiply, the product will be 6, and 2 and 3q plus 1 and 2q plus 1 and 3q plus 2. Hence 6 is the factor of the product, so the product is divisible by 6. When r is equal to 4, then n is equal to 6q plus 4. The product will be n minus 1, that means 6q plus 4 minus 1, that will be 6q plus 3, n, that means 6q plus 2, n plus 1, that means 6q plus 4 plus 1, that is 6q plus 5. That can be written as 3 into 2q plus 1, 2 into 3q plus 2 into 6q plus 5. 3 2 are 6 into 2q plus 1 into 3q plus 2 into 6q plus 5. Since 6 is the factor of this product, so the product is divisible by 6. When r is equal to 5, then n is equal to 6q plus 5. The product will be n minus 1 into n plus 1. N minus 1, that means 6q plus 5 minus 1, that will be 6q plus 4. N is equal to 6q plus 5 and n plus 1, that means 6q plus 5 plus 1, that is 6q plus 6. This can be written as 2 into 3q plus 2 into 6q plus 5, 6 into q plus 1. That can be written as 6 into 2. That can be written as 6 into 2 into 3q plus 2 into 6q plus 5 into q plus 1. Here 2 is the factor of this product, so the product is divisible by 6. Hence the product of 3 consecutive positive integers is divisible by 6. In other words, we can say that n cube minus n, that is n minus 1 into n plus 1, is divisible by 6, where n is any positive integer. Okay. Now try yourself. First problem. So that the product of 2 consecutive positive integers is divisible by 2, or so that n square minus n is divisible by 2. Second problem. So that n square minus 1 is divisible by 8, where n is an odd positive integer. That's okay. All the best. Thanks.